Hey, what's going on, Corvette Cruising fam? Listen, thanks for tuning in to this video on today. I appreciate it. This is what I need you to do for me though. I need you to like, I need you to subscribe, and then click that bell for notifications. If you have not subscribed, I need you to subscribe. Do me a favor, subscribe. Let's grow this channel. I need at least to get up to 100 by the end of the month. I got to get up to 100 subs by the end of the month. So please go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so already. If you have already subscribed, I need you to go out and share this with somebody. Share this broadcast. Let them know, say, hey, Corvette World, we got a family out here. We have a channel called Corvette Cruising, and this guy is bringing us some content. So please make sure that you share this content with somebody today. As you can tell, what I'm going to be talking about today is I'm going to be talking about packing for the road trip. Yes, sir. We are going on a road trip. I'm going to take it about, I don't know, almost just a little less than 1,000 miles, 485 miles one way. So about almost 1,000 miles we'll take it on this trip. And so I'm excited about this. This is what I need you to do for me. Put in the comments, have you taken a road trip? If so, where are you going? If so, what do you pack? Put that in the comments. What do you pack for your road trip? And do you pack luggage, or do you just go overnight, or do you go for a long period of time? So make sure that you put that in the comments today. Hey everybody, as you can see, I've got a lot of luggage here. We're only going away for 3 nights. 3 nights. We'll stay for actually 3 days. I want to show you guys how much luggage the C7 can actually pack in. I don't know what the C8 can do. I don't know how much luggage the C8 can actually withstand, but this C7, it doesn't play. You can go on some long extended trips. So as you can see, all this luggage right here, I'm going to get all this luggage. I got a big one here, and I have a garment bag, and then I have a pretty large bag here. Then we have a small bag that you can actually get on planes, and I actually put on here 2 chairs. I'm going to pack 2 chairs in there, and then I'm going to actually pack that to go little bag there, a little duffel bag you could actually throw on your shoulder. I love this trunk space. This trunk space is enormous. Enormous. I love the trunk space. You can just do so much with this trunk space. At this trunk, I'm going to put in some of the larger luggage, and then I'm going to get all this luggage in. I'm going to get it all in there, you guys. Watch me. I'm going to get it all in there. It can all fit now, and it's not like I'm going to be really pressing trying to get it in there. Put your comments below. Where are you going? What are you doing? Click, subscribe, like. Where are you going this summer? Do you need a lot of luggage, or are you just going for overnight trips? What are you going to do? All right, so watch this, you guys. Watch all this luggage that I get in this C7. Okay, I'm going to pack this trunk. I'm going to put in some of the larger luggage, and then I'm going to get all this luggage in. I'm going to get it all in there, you guys. Watch me. I'm going to get it all in there. It can all fit now, and it's not like I'm going to be really pressing trying to get it in there. Put your comments below. Where are you going? What are you doing? Click, subscribe, like. Where are you going this summer? Do you need a lot of luggage, or are you just going for overnight trips? What are you going to do? All right, so watch this, you guys. Watch all this luggage that I get in this C7. Got this luggage packed in the trunk here. Look at that. Got it packed in there, and gonna move it around just a little bit so that I can and then I got plenty of space. Trust me, I got plenty of space in here to cram some things in there if I wanted to. And of course, I am only going on a 3-day trip, so it's not like I'm going for 7. I won't be taking all this luggage with me on a 3-day trip, y'all. Trust me, I will not take all this luggage on a 3-day trip. I just want to show you guys how much this trunk could actually hold. So look at that again. Look at all that. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags plus 2 lawn chairs. 2 lawn chairs. So here it is right here. All right. Boom, there it is right there. There it is right there. All right. So there it is right there. So that's what the C7. This is a 2017 Stingray. That's what it can do. It's got the capability of holding 5 major bags. If you can't get everything that you need in those 5 major bags, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. So at any rate, thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure, put your comments in below. Where are you gonna go on this traveling season? Where are you going? Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the ride.